Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss whether you can lose weight by just doing burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that involves multiple muscle groups and can help you burn calories quickly. As a result, many people wonder if burpees alone can lead to weight loss. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of burpees for weight loss and whether they can be an effective exercise for achieving your weight loss goals. What are burpees? A burpee is a bodyweight exercise that involves a combination of squats, push-ups, and jumps. To perform a burpee, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Next, squat down and place your hands on the ground in front of you. From this position, jump your feet back into a push-up position, complete a push-up, and then jump your feet forward again. Finally, stand up and jump into the air, clapping your hands above your head. Benefits of burpees for weight loss. Burpees can be an effective exercise for weight loss for several reasons. First, they are a high-intensity exercise that can help you burn a significant amount of calories in a short amount of time. According to Healthline, a person weighing 155 pounds can burn around 10 calories per minute doing burpees. In addition to burning calories, burpees also work multiple muscle groups at once, including your legs, glutes, core, chest, and arms. This means that you can get a full body workout in a short amount of time, which can be especially beneficial for busy individuals. Can you lose weight by just doing burpees? While burpees can be an effective exercise for weight loss, it's unlikely that doing burpees alone will lead to significant weight loss. Weight loss ultimately comes down to creating a calorie deficit, which means burning more calories than you consume. While burpees can help you burn calories, it's unlikely that you would be able to burn enough calories through burpees alone to create a significant calorie deficit. To achieve weight loss, it's important to combine exercise with a healthy, balanced diet that is designed to create a calorie deficit. This might involve reducing your overall calorie intake, increasing your protein intake to support muscle growth, and incorporating nutrient-dense foods such as fruits and vegetables. In addition to diet and exercise, it's important to focus on other lifestyle factors that can impact weight loss, such as getting enough sleep, managing stress levels, and staying hydrated. By focusing on these factors in addition to exercise, you can create a sustainable, long-term approach to weight loss. How to incorporate burpees into your exercise routine. If you're interested in incorporating burpees into your exercise routine to support weight loss, there are several ways to do so. Here are a few tips. 1. Start slowly. If you're new to burpees or haven't done them in a while, it's important to start slowly to avoid injury. Begin by doing just a few burpees at a time and gradually increasing the number of repetitions as you build strength and endurance. 2. Combine with other exercises. To get a full body workout, it can be beneficial to combine burpees with other exercises. For example, you might do a set of burpees followed by a set of squats, lunges, or push-ups. 3. Try a burpee challenge. If you're looking for a fun way to challenge yourself and incorporate more burpees into your routine, consider trying a burpee challenge. This might involve completing a certain number of burpees each day for a set period of time, such as 30 days. Conclusion. Burpees can be an effective exercise for weight loss, thanks to their ability to burn calories and work multiple muscle groups at once. However, it's unlikely that doing burpees alone will lead to significant weight loss. To achieve weight loss, it's important to combine exercise with a healthy, balanced diet that creates a calorie deficit and to focus on other lifestyle factors such as sleep, stress management, and hydration. Incorporating burpees into your exercise routine can be a great way to support weight loss, but it's important to start slowly, combine them with other exercises, and challenge yourself gradually. With a consistent exercise routine, a healthy diet, and lifestyle habits that support weight loss, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health and well-being. Overall, burpees can be a valuable addition to your exercise routine, but they are not a magic solution for weight loss. By focusing on a holistic approach to weight loss that includes exercise, diet, and lifestyle factors, you can achieve lasting success and improve your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.